Often we get caught in the idea that productivity means having the best apps, the most disciplined routine, and an enormous amount of willpower. But what if there's more to productivity than just ticking off tasks on your to-do list? Well, the true secret lies in finding joy in what we do, because when we enjoy activities, staying productive becomes a more natural process and not a chore. For instance, think about when you're engaged in hobbies you enjoy, whether it's watching a favourite show, playing video games, or spending time with your friends. You probably never worry about being productive in these moments because they're enjoyable. The challenge then is to apply this effortless engagement to tasks that are inherently less exciting but crucial for our long-term goals. So let's take a look at 5 tips that can help us enjoy being more productive. Changing how you perceive work can significantly affect your daily engagement and satisfaction. Instead of viewing tasks as burdensome necessities, consider them as opportunities for personal growth. For instance, if you approach a complex project with a mindset that will enhance your problem-solving skills or deepen your expertise, you're more likely to engage positively with the challenge. And you can reinforce this perspective by starting each day thinking about how the day's tasks will contribute to your broader goals or your personal development. And this way, even routine activities can have a sense of purpose, making them more engaging and less tedious. You could introduce game-like elements into your work routine, which could transform a mundane task into more of an intriguing challenge. For example, let's say you're working on a long-term project. Well, break it down into stages or levels that you need to complete, and with each level bringing a small reward, maybe coffee or a treat, or go for a short walk after each milestone. Now, this approach can turn the journey of learning and development into a more fun and rewarding game. Working with others can bring a new dimension of enjoyment and efficiency to your tasks. Collaboration allows for the sharing of ideas and can lead to innovative solutions that would not have been possible when you're just on your own. For instance, if you're tasked with creating a presentation, involving a colleague can spark new ideas and distribute the workload, making the task less daunting and, well, more dynamic. Collaborative tools and platforms can enhance this process by enabling real-time communication and idea sharing, which keeps everyone involved and engaged in the project, enhancing productivity and enjoyment simultaneously. Creating a workspace that you find welcoming and comfortable can have a profound impact on your productivity and mood. So start by organising your physical space to reduce clutter and distractions. Make sure your workspace is somewhere you look forward to spending your time in, paying attention to your posture, lighting, temperature and just general comfort. Good lighting and a touch of nature, such as maybe a plant or a window view, can also significantly enhance your workspace. It's important to regularly assess whether the tasks you're undertaking are contributing meaningfully to your goals. This continuous alignment process ensures that you're not wasting effort on tasks that don't bring you closer to those objectives. For instance, if you find certain recurring tasks no longer serve a purpose or could be automated, taking steps to adjust or eliminate these can free up more time for more meaningful work. This kind of regular task assessment can prevent feelings of burnout and keep you motivated, as you'll also see a clear connection between what you do daily and your larger aspirations. By adopting these approaches, you can make your journey towards productivity not just bearable but actually more enjoyable. Using these strategies can help turn everyday tasks into opportunities for engagement, growth and personal satisfaction. Now, find your passion is common advice, but what if you don't know what your passion is, or what if your passions aren't a viable career path? It's crucial to recognise that while following your passion is ideal, most of us will need to find aspects of our jobs that we can enjoy or at least appreciate. This might involve developing new skills that make routine tasks a little bit more interesting, or maybe focusing on the aspects of your job that align more closely with your interests. See, productivity isn't just about doing more in less time, it's about making the time you spend doing those tasks more enjoyable and aligned with your personal and professional goals. By shifting our perspective from productivity as a metric to productivity as an experience, we can transform our daily lives into more sources of satisfaction and joy. Remember that the key to sustained productivity is not just in optimising our output, but in ensuring that the process is as rewarding as the outcome. So keep rewarding yourself, make sure those goals are broken down into actionable steps and build that mindset. I'll talk more about strategies and tips on my other videos, so you might like to check out this one here. Please do give this video a like and subscribe for more around the topics of how to be productive, and I'll see you in the next one.